And next, number 5 on our list is that new role of product operations manager. These folks need to be dependable, efficient, and analytical. Product ops manager is a very cross-functional role, so you need to have pretty good social skills, relationship skills, and influence skills. You also have to be pretty analytical, you work with data quite a bit, you have to be business savvy, and you have to have some product sense. Of course, there are people from diverse backgrounds and skill sets that would be great in product ops roles, and you really don't need to have a single type of background to be really successful in this role. It's a lot about your skills, personality, and it depends a lot on what product ops role you take, because product operations means very different things at different companies. This is a newer function in tech, and so it's much less defined at company to company. You can be doing very different things. So in one company, you might be doing a lot of what I call first mile product work, which means that you're trying to gather all the data and insights from all the different teams to help the product team make the best decisions they can make. Or you might be doing what I call last mile product work, which means the product manager made a decision to launch this new feature, but let's say at Uber, you have to launch this feature in 10 different countries and 20 different states with different sets of regulation. You don't know how to test it the same way in different places. That's where product ops managers come in. They can figure out all that complexity and all that detail, making the decisions at the last mile. So let's look into how you get into product operations management. So from a degree perspective, honestly, doesn't really matter. There is no product operations manager degree out there. There's also not a product ops bootcamp, at least so far. Really, the best way to get into product operations management is to show your relevant experience. Maybe you did operations roles in the past, you worked directly with customers and customer success. Maybe you came from a research background, a technical background. There are so many different ways to show the skills that you need in product operations management. But usually you need a little bit of that product sense and that business savvy to be able to get into a good product ops role. And product operations managers, if they're really good, can make a huge difference on the company. I've just recently started building out the product ops team in my company, and it's made such a huge impact so far. And the people in those roles really love their job.